Being an industry leader means you constantly raise the bar. At Checklist Inspections, we pride ourselves on offering services that set us apart from the competition. First, with every full inspection, we include a 90-day limited warranty. Our 90-day limited warranty offers coverage for both structural and mechanical items inspected and found to be in good working order by our inspector. Every full inspection also comes with Recall Check at no additional charge. With Recall Check, you can rest assured that your clients will be notified of any current or future recall on their home's major appliances. Our recall database stays up to date on over 195 million recalled appliances as listed by the CPSC. Finally, we stand behind our work with our 200% guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied at the end of the inspection, not only will we refund the inspection fee, we will also pay for another inspector of your choice to inspect the home up to the original fee. For more information on our 90-day limited warranty program, Recall Check, and 200% guarantee, visit us online at www.checklistaz.com or give us a call at 480-361-8120. Checklist Inspections. We take the stress out of inspections.